What's up, guys? Stream Daddies here. You know what it is. We got more Crossworlds. We got 3 of those dash packs. Gotta get that promo. We got both the starter decks. We even got the special pack. So, what we're gonna do, we're just gonna open one of these starter decks real quick, and then we're gonna split up the special packs, and whoever gets the SR out of the special pack will get to open 2 of these. The other one will only get 1. Ooh. So, it's another pack battle type thing we got going on here.
Get yours first, sir.
So, I got here the Dark Invasion new starter deck. Comes with exclusive cards. I can let you see the back, I guess. Don't really know why, but
we'll
something that people do.
Yeah, we'll be pulling the cards out. It's all good.
I'm gonna completely destroy this box because we don't care about that shit. However, this we do kind of care about. This is cool. So each different starter deck has its own unique battle area.
What?
Yeah, and this is the one for the Dark Invasion, which is the black and green set.
Huh.
Get this shit out of here.
Yeah, throw this shit.
We're just throwing stuff.
Fuck all that shit.
Alright. Let me crack this here.
Is there a seal like towards the top?
There it is.
No, you got it.
Get out of here. Get out of here.
Oh, this trash.
Alright. For the leader, you know what it is. It's that boy. It's Bardock. Unbound by Darkness. Got the mass sand on the other side. So you know what's up. We got Killer Sword Trunks here. That's your foil for the deck. And then you get a second one of him. Just not foil. Then you get Quick Blade Trunks. You get 4 of. So you get a play set. And these first 5 different cards are going to be the deck exclusive cards. I don't know what I'm doing. Forget that. We got Encroaching Threat Masked Sand. We only get 2 of those. And then our last exclusive is Power Aura Mira, and you get 2 of those. Now on to just the normal stuff. You already know basically all these cards, I'm sure. But you get Sun Gohan, Family of Justice, you get 2 of those. Energy Power Go Tanks, you get a 4 of. It's a decent card to have.
Solid.
Bundle of Curiosity, Son Goku, you get 2 of those. Vegeta, just the vanilla, you get 4 of. Pressure Assault Super Saiyan Son Goku, you get 4 of those. Unyielding Justice Super Saiyan 2 Trunks, you get 4 of those. So you do get a decent amount of stuff from each different set in this deck, at least. Trunks Bridge to the Future, 4 of. Unrelenting Assault Trunks, you get 2 of those. And then since it's a black deck, you're gonna get a full play set of that super combo. Supreme Kai Time. You get 4 Toa, Space Time Unleashed. 2 Dark Plots. 4 times Judgment, because you always got to have that counter attack when you're on the defense there. So that's the deck there.
Not bad. Not a bad little.
Yeah, it's pretty good value. It's like I don't even know. I think it's like $13 maybe.
It's not bad.
I can't remember. Between 13 and 16, somewhere in that range.
Somewhere around there. All right. So I'm gonna go ahead and get mine open. This is the Extreme Evolution set. Get this pulled up. How did you tear your box open? Oh, there we go.
You just gotta call it mean names and just slap it a couple times. Spit on it if you have to.
God damn. Alright, get some trash out of here. Okay, so this is the exclusive playmat that I had no clue existed until 4 seconds ago. Oh, this is cool. It's got like the Planet M2 thing in it.
Yeah, man.
That's awesome. Try and get that more in scope.
I might be wrong, but I think this is South City.
Is it?
I think so, but I'm not sure. I'm not 100% on that, so don't quote me.
All right, let's see if I'm as successful finding that little.
If you're triggered, definitely let me know.
I'm triggered.
I don't care.
Where did you find the little thing?
It's just like on the side.
There it is. Okay. Trash out of here. Alright, so we're going to start off with the, good lord. I'm going to start off with the leader here. Whew. You're saying Son Goku here. He has a gold as well.
Yeah.
Okay. It's going to give you 2. Oh, yeah. Well, technically 2. You get your foil version of the Super Saiyan 3 Son Goku. And then your unfoiled. Let's see. You got your play sets of the Unbreakable Super Saiyan Son Goku.
Remember, these first 5 are the
Exclusives, right?
so you can only get them in these decks.
Okay. I got 2 copies of the Rushing Warrior Pan. And last ones is the Chain Attack Trunks. 2 of on that one. And you get into the regulars, so you get a full play set of the Pint-Sized Warrior Son Gokus. Get a full play set of the Shocking Future Son Gokus. Get 2 of the Vanilla Pans. 4 play set of the Quick Rush Trunks. Let's see, you get a play set of the Handy Gyros. A lot of play sets in this one.
Yeah.
Yeah. Play set of Oob. Play set of Legic. You get 2 of the Luds. 2 Mirrors. Is it? Oh, what did I say? Mirror?
Yeah.
My. 2 of the General Rildos. Get a full play set of the Unending Awakening. And last but not least, a full play set of the Grand Tour Spaceship. That's a pretty solid deck. Nice little GT. You've got your Son Gokus evolving.
Yeah, if you guys want to see us not take this stuff apart and battle each other with them, let us know in the comments.
Yeah.
We will be happy to film us playing a game.
Yeah, it'd be cool. I kind of want to test them out just to see how they run. Give us a good idea on synergies. Probably shouldn't have spread this out the way I did, huh?
Yeah, probably not.
Probably not. Oops. Cool. Quick Rush Trunks. Get these out of the way. The leader. Cool.
All right. So, just set that off to the side, and we are going to get into that special pack. You know what the heck we be on. Get your trash out of here. Get your trash here. Alright. So here is your promo when you buy the special pack. You get Increasing Evil Masked Saiyan. So, which is not a bad promo. Like, it's way better than the promo that came in the set 2 one, the Zamasu. Alright. So, we got 4 packs here. I'll open my 2, then he can open his 2, and let's get it. Whoever wins gets that second dash pack, so gotta make sure you get that SR.
I'm all about the wins.
You're not gonna win though. You lost.
I'm all about the wins in this one.
Alright, you get Lud. You don't get Load. I got Lud.
You got Load?
I got Load. Son Goku leader. Android 15. God Absorber Majin Buu. Ribbit. Android 18. Thinks he's the best Hercule. Boo make you cookie. Pan. Doubtable Super Saiyan Blue Son Goku. And Haru Haru Attacker Majin. And Twisted Justice Fused Zamasu. We are, I think that's the most pulled card in this set that is not common.
Yeah, so far
That
as Zamasu.
well, at least for us.
Yeah, I think that's our 3rd copy.
Alright, Universal Leader Grand Supreme Kai. No opening Son Goku. Pride and Justice Topo. March of the Great Ape. Nappa. Why does he have hair though? Like,
Nappa?
Like, look at him. What a fool. Creepy. Trunks. Nat. Flying Nimbus. Whoo, Blue Super Combo. Dreadful Android 17. Bizu. Oh, damn. Oh, got him. You know what it is. Y'all know who. You know who's gonna be opening that second dash pack now, though.
Come on, man.
Gang, gang. All right, get yourself some.
I don't even want to open my packs now. Khalifa, come on.
It's possible to pull 2 out of one of these.
What happens if that happens? Then what do we rock, paper, scissors for it or what?
I don't know.
I highly doubt we're gonna get.
I guess whoever's rare is cooler.
Fair. Trunks.
Or a
Super
tiebreaker
Saiyan.
could be if you pull a common or uncommon foil.
That's
in your
fair.
pack.
Okay, that'll be the tiebreaker. E Supreme Kai, Shun Shun, Gine, King Vegeta, Rebirth of Justice, Majin Fire West Supreme Kai, Iwasaki Zamasu, a Rampaging Great Ape Son Goku, and the Unfeeling Destroyer Android 15. Are those backwards?
Yeah, your rare was in front of your uncommon foil.
It's weird. Either way, got some shiny stuff going on.
Nice.
So it'll be this. I'll set that off to the side. Alright, my only chance at opening the second dash. Right here.
You ain't got your car.
I never had my car.
You never even had a whip.
Alright, guys. Give me some love in the comments for this one, alright? Unrelenting Assault Trunks. Bergamo. Quick Rush Trunks. Oob. Speedy Surprise Attack. Vegeta. Planet M2. Haru Haru. Nezzy. Fasha. To save a hopeful future. Mira.
Game.
God damn it.
Game over.
Alright.
You died.
Alright.
All right.
Go ahead and open those up.
You get one. I'll take these 2. Show me the. I don't even know.
Yeah, what are you
I don't
looking
even
for?
know. I just want that Prince Vegeta.
Like you got.
Oh, we got Great Ape Prince Vegeta right there.
That's
Called it. Ooh, what the hell? Ooh, this foiling, it's got like ridges, dude. Ooh, that's nice. That's nice. We're gonna sleeve it. We're gonna sleeve it.
clean. Yeah, it's a promo. Why not?
All right. That dash pack opened way easier. Kind of. Oh, I think this is the other cool promo.
Yeah?
Yeah. If I'm not mistaken.
Yeah, what does it have on the back for the options?
Hey, it is Kaba. Nice.
I heard that Kaba's really, really good.
Dude, this Kaba's sick.
So the options are the potential pulls. Oh, this is for
Combination attack Pan,
Yeah.
Piccolo the Strategist, Saiyan Teamwork Kaba, and Great Ape Prince Vegeta.
Okay. Last one. Let me get to open up one. Is that
That's
goddamn
what happens when you
Khalifa?
suck, you know?
And Khalifa pulls.
the new Kale. When are they gonna fuse and make a Kefla though? Where's our Kefla card?
Where's our
I want justice.
I want Teflon.
Ooh, combination attack Pan. Nice.
I'm glad
Just
that we
get
got
a little
all
bit of
three.
everything.
Yeah, I was gonna say I'm glad that we got one of.
We didn't get
each.
Piccolo. I've never even seen the Piccolo, to be honest.
Yeah, that's cool. These promos have like a really cool foil to them.
Yeah,
that's
these are
nice.
sick. Yeah, so just to go back over what we got. Got Twisted Justice Fused Zamasu out of my packs, along with Unstoppable Ambition Super Saiyan Khalifa. And then my promos were Saiyan Teamwork Kaba and Great Ape Prince Vegeta. You already know what it is, boys.
We already are here knowing. I don't have much to show off here, so we're gonna go through these. Got the foil Android 15, and then we got Mira and the Great Ape Son Goku. Oh, I don't know why I showed the back. Mira. And then we have the Pan as the promo. combination tack pan.
What are you doing, man? Sleeve that sucker.
Oh, sure.
Your mama's a sucker. As a motherfucker.
Get this in it. The foil on this feels so cool.
Yeah, it's tight. I like how when it's in a sleeve, like, you can really see it because of the glare from the gloss.
I don't know if you're able to. Yeah, like right there, you can kind of see on camera how it. That's crazy.
It's just. Ooh, too much gloss.
Too much gloss. Too much stuff.
Yeah, it's just cool. Alright, well, let us know in the comments if you want to see us play those decks that we just opened against each other, and we will definitely upload that video. Stay tuned for more super stuff.
See you guys next week.
Later.